One species of parrot that lives in South America manages to feed on some seeds even though they are highly poisonous. The behavior of this parrot is quite amazing. While other living things are unable to even approach these seeds, why is it that nothing happens to these birds that constantly eat them? Immediately after eating these seeds, which are actually highly nutritious, these parrots, known as macaws, fly off to a cliff face. When they arrive, they break off a few fragments of rock with clay and swallow them. This is no random activity. The characteristic of these rock fragments is that they absorb the toxins inside the seeds. This enables the birds to digest the seeds without the slightest discomfort. But how do these birds come by the medical knowledge with which to determine the poisonous effects of these seeds? How do they know how to neutralize those effects? Could they have been taught enough pharmacology to know that these rocks contain a substance that will neutralize the toxins in the seeds? No such thing is possible, of course. A human being cannot tell if seeds are poisonous just by looking at them. Nor can they know how to neutralize the toxins. They will either have to have received special training or else to have asked someone who knows. That being the case, it is impossible to say that a bird devoid of any reason or consciousness could have discovered such a thing as a result of lengthy chemical analysis and investigations. It is impossible for macaws to have acquired the knowledge that human beings can only attain after years of special training by chance. It is Allah, the flawless creator of all things, who taught this to the macaws. Reflection on such examples is sufficient to show that the behavior of living things cannot be the result of chance. Allah inspires the knowledge to all living things. None of the creatures are left aimlessly to coincidences. In one of the verses of the Quran, it is revealed that all living things are under the absolute control and dominion of Allah. I have put my trust in Allah, my Lord and your Lord. There is no creature He does not hold by the forelock. My Lord is on a straight path.